Hi all, in this video we will see how we can take one branch contents and apply it on another branch. First we will create a Git repo. This is a demo folder name. This currently doesn't have a Git, so we will make that as a Git repo using git init command. And next we will create a branch. We will say checkout and we will create a main branch, and then we will create a sample file here. So I'll say launch browser, and I'm going to create a file called launchbrowser.java. Okay, so currently we have one file in the branch. Okay, it's in the branch main. Git status. Okay, currently it is in the main branch and we have one file. Now we will do a commit. If I first move the file to the staging area, and then I'll do a local commit. Okay, now one commit is added in the main branch. Now I'll create another branch from the contents of main branch. I'll create another branch called dev. Okay, and here I'm going to create another file. Let's say we will add close browser. Okay, now one file we received from main branch and another file we created in this dev branch. So if you run git status, it will show one as untracked. So we will do a commit in the dev branch. Then git commit. Okay, now we have one commit in the main branch, and in the dev branch, along with the contents of main, we have created one more additional commits. So if you run git log, this came from main, and this is something we newly created in the dev branch. So we have two branches. Say main branch is someone is created, and on top of that we want to create some additions based on our requirement. For that we created a separate branch, and once we are done with the creation and testing, we want to take the contents of the dev branch and put it in the main. Okay, so how to do that? One way of doing it is using git merge command. First we will switch to a branch where we want to apply the commit. Okay, so currently the branch is dev, and we want to have the commit that is newly created in the dev and apply it on the main branch. Okay, so I'll switch to the main branch first. Now let me clear the contents. Git status. So currently it is in main branch. Now we will take the new contents of dev and apply it in the main. Okay, so in the main, if you run git log, there is only one commit, and in the left hand side also you can see. I'll just switch to the main. Okay, only one commit is there. So this is a VS Code, and in the left hand side you can, if you click on this source control icon, you will be able to see this graph where it will show the commit history. So currently main is selected, you can see only one commit, Now we are going to run the command git merge dev. Okay, so now we are trying to take the contents of dev and apply it on the main. So we can, instead of copying the files one by one, so this is something git provided command which we can use, and then git will try to take the commits and put it in the main branch. I'm running this command. So once this is done, in the left hand side you can see the main branch is selected, and you can see one new commit got added. So this commit came from dev. So if you switch to dev, you will be able to see that. Okay. You will be able to see that. Okay. So this is how we can do a merge. So this is one example. We will see other examples in the coming video. Thanks for watching.